Have you ever looked at your life and thought, how did I get here? You've tried to make changes, but it feels like nothing sticks. You're not alone, and I've been exactly where you are. If you're serious about taking back control of your life, this video is for you. This isn't just another motivational video. It's not for those who simply want to watch and keep scrolling through YouTube. If you're genuinely ready to regain control of your life and have tried before but didn't get the results you wanted, this is your blueprint. It's a guide for those who are ready to take action. If you've ever attempted to improve your grades, start a business, get fit, or achieve any other goal but struggled to stay consistent, trust me, I've been there. About 2 years ago, I found myself in the exact same situation. Today, I'll share the method I created. I was wasting my life on bad habits, playing video games, binge watching Netflix, scrolling endlessly on social media. I was lost, unproductive, and completely disconnected from the life I wanted to live. I'd tried to change countless times but failed each time. Every attempt seemed like a dead end. I was stuck in a cycle of getting motivated from YouTube, only to quit shortly after. Then one day, I stumbled upon a video by Hamza, a YouTuber who spoke about self-improvement in a way that finally clicked for me. He said something that changed everything. You don't need to do something extreme to change your life. Just start at level 1. That was my light bulb moment. I realized I didn't need to make drastic changes overnight. I just had to start small, focus on the basics, and build from there. So I began with simple daily habits. Nothing extreme, just small, manageable tasks I could stick to consistently. And after only 2 weeks, everything started to shift. I wasn't just motivated, I was seeing real results. My productivity soared, my mood improved, and for the first time in ages, I could actually focus on my goals. I'm not sharing this to brag, but to show you what's possible. If you're struggling with bad habits, wasting time, or feeling stuck, I want to help you make the same transformation. Reflecting on my journey, I realized many people could benefit from following the same blueprint that helped me turn my life around. That's why I've created a 14-day challenge. This challenge is designed to help you regain control of your life, not by pushing yourself to the limit overnight, but by starting small, staying consistent, and gradually building momentum. You'll unlock a new video, carefully crafted to guide you step by step through the process. I want this challenge to be accessible to anyone who's ready to commit, which is why I'm offering it for free. I've read the most beautiful quote of my life, which helped me to understand that the time of taking process. When you don't see the results, when you feel like giving up, remember that the last thing to grow on tree is its fruit.
I was taking tiny steps on the way up. Finally, I got a big step. But those tiny steps are actually a lot of times more valuable. Yeah. If you start with a big step, it's hard to make another one.
So, what's stopping you? Are you going to let the fear of failure hold you back? Are you going to allow your doubts to keep you from reaching your full potential? No. You're going to get up, dust yourself off, and move forward with more determination than ever. Here's the harsh truth. Success isn't about talent, luck, or perfect circumstances. It's about how much you're willing to suffer, how hard you're willing to fight, and how much you're willing to sacrifice for the things you truly want in life.
It gets easier.
Huh?
Every day it gets a little easier.
Yeah?
But you gotta do it every day. That's the hard part. But it does get easier.
And if you want to master focus which help you to become unstoppable, then watch this video.